Hello guys. I'm going to make some lady fingers, also known as okra, and we call it bhendi in India. So gonna make that. Try to make that. Let's see. So what do we have here? We have mustard seeds. We have chili. Oh, pan is getting hot. We have some chili, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, and lemon. But I'll tell you why I have lemon later. And I have some chopped garlic because who doesn't love garlic? All right. The pan is a little hot now. We have reduced some heat. Let's try to put the mustard seeds in first. There you go. That's the sound you want to hear. All right. Garlic. Nice smell there. Nice smell of the garlic. I'm going to put some turmeric and chili to make it nice and a little spicy. Okay. So once this is done, I'm going to, yeah, there you go. Mix it well. Now you can add, cut one potato only just to increase the vegetable, and the okra. Mix it all up. Now if you come closer, you'll see there is like strings. That's basically how okra is. It's sticky. So now that's when the lime comes in. So to not have that sticky texture to the vegetable that you're cooking, the dish that you're cooking, you need to add little bit of lemon or lime to it. So you just put the fork in like this and just twist. Okay, there you go. Nothing left. I like to keep it clean and tidy, so I'll wash and wipe my hands. And now with all of this, let's try to mix it. You can still see some strands of the stickiness, but it is some Himalayan salt. That's it. So cook it until you see it's done. Try some pieces of okra, and if it's cooked, remove it from the flame and serve it hot. So enjoy this okra dish. If you like it, don't subscribe it because there's no way to subscribe it. Enjoy. Bye bye.